Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this stop scrolling right now. This hidden gem changes everything. Is this the ultimate find of the year? I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade. Go directly to the video description right now, click that product link, and grab yours today right this second. Product link product_link_ placeholder. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this stop